Welcome back. This is the second video of the series Immunity and Health. In this video, we will discuss some more points which are important for us to get better understanding of the role of nutrition in the maintenance of immunity. The next mineral we are going to discuss is selenium. It helps to maintain immunity. It may help reduce asthma related symptoms and improve lung function, important for immune system and its response to gut inflammation. It is important for metabolism of thyroid hormones, and the important sources are egg, which is also rich in calcium, iron, zinc, vitamin A, E, B vitamins, iron and copper. Sunflower seeds, which are also good sources of folate, vitamin E, phosphorus, manganese. Brazil nuts, these are also good source of protein, vitamin E, zinc, magnesium, calcium. Hemp seeds are good sources of protein, fiber, iron, omega-3 and omega-6, phosphorus, vitamin E, magnesium, calcium, zinc, and of course selenium. Then cashew nuts are also good source of selenium and magnesium, iron, copper, phosphorus, zinc, B vitamins, vitamin E and K. Then flax seeds are also rich in selenium, and they are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, iron, thiamine, that is vitamin B1, copper, magnesium and phosphorus. Chia seeds, which are also good source of fiber, protein, calcium, B vitamins, manganese, phosphorus, magnesium and of course selenium. Now let's talk about magnesium. Research in nutrition and immunology has shown evidence that magnesium plays a key role in immune response. It acts as a cofactor for immunoglobulin synthesis. Levels of immunoglobulin G, that is IgG, may be reduced during magnesium deficiency. Magnesium plays a role over 300 enzyme reactions in body. Its main functions include helping with muscle and nerve function, regulating blood pressure and supporting immune system. And many foods contain high level of magnesium, including nuts and seeds, dark green vegetables, whole grains and legumes. Omega-3 fatty acids. They help to sustain optimal function of immune system and play a major role in membrane integrity of lymphocytes. It may help to maintain integrity of intestinal barrier rather than direct effect on immune response. Omega-3 fatty acids is mainly found in fish oil, salmon, flax seeds, walnuts, avocado. Microbiota. There is a link between gut microbiome and immunity, and it has led to ever increasing interest in functional foods, especially probiotics and prebiotics. So it is recommended to eat a high fiber diet. A collection of microorganisms live on and within you, scheming a variety of metabolic processes including immune health. Short chain fatty acids are formed from the action of gut bacteria on undigested carbohydrate, which is basically fiber. Short chain fatty acids from high fiber have been shown to reduce the inflammation in colon and dampen allergic airway diseases. Very low carbohydrate diets, which is low in fiber, results in low microbiota diversity in gut. So the best guidance is to continue to eat whole grain complex carbohydrate diets. Prebiotics. So prebiotics are the compounds in food that induce the growth or activity of beneficial microorganisms. So they are helping the gut microorganisms to grow, and these microorganisms consist basically of bacteria and fungi. So dietary prebiotics are typically non-indigestible fiber compounds that pass undigested through the upper part of gastrointestinal tract and stimulate the growth or activity of advantageous bacteria that colonize the large bowel by acting as substrate for them. Prebiotic food include garlic, onions, asparagus, bananas, and seaweed. General rule is to eat a variety of fruits and vegetables, beans, and whole grains for dietary prebiotics. So, the general rule is to eat a high fiber diet. Fermentation is the main mechanism of action by which prebiotics are used by the beneficial bacteria in the colon. Probiotics. Probiotics are live microorganisms promoted with claims that they provide health benefits when consumed generally by improving or restoring the gut flora. Probiotic food include yogurt with live active cultures, fermented vegetables. World Health Organization (WHO) defines probiotic as live microorganisms which when administered in adequate amount confer a health benefit on the host. Effective probiotics is their ability to adhere to the gastrointestinal tract in order to avoid being passed out via gut motility and thus multiply, colonize, and modulate the immune system of the whole body by competitively suppressing pathogens. The commonest probiotics used in functional foods and other fermented products include lactobacilli, enterococci, bifidobacteria, and leuconostoc species. Probiotics can bolster the gut barrier and prevent bacterial migration. It may be able to reduce the time of inflammatory response. Supplementation with probiotics may reduce the incidence of upper respiratory tract illness by 50% and reduce the duration if infected by approximately 2 days, associated with a decreased demand of antibiotics. Phytochemicals are active plant ingredients which may have many immune supporting roles. The Ministry of Ayush has started clinical trials for COVID-19 with 4 Ayurvedic herbs: ashwagandha, giloy, black pepper, and yashti madhu. Curcumin is a predominant phytochemical present in turmeric, haldi, and is known to have anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antimicrobial properties. 6 grams per day is well tolerated dose of turmeric. It is widely used in household as a remedy for sore throat and cough. Use freshly ground turmeric. Some studies show that turmeric benefits could be enhanced by using it in combination with black pepper, which has active ingredient pepperine. Cooking in oil enhances bioavailability. Similarly, ginger has phytochemical 6-gingerol. However, overconsumption of strong kadhas can add to the problem. People may develop ulcer if proper dosage is not followed. If it causes gastro trouble like bloating or cramps, it should be stopped. A study was conducted for 4 weeks interval to study the effect of probiotics on athletes' health. And in that study, a multi-species probiotic supplementation was given to the athletes, and it was found that this reduced the markers of gut permeability and symptoms of GI discomfort during exercise-induced heat stress. And but it was also found that it may protect the intestinal barrier and crowd out the harmful bacteria. Most studies use probiotics over an extended time for prevention. The strength of evidence for the use of probiotics to support immune function is moderate and strong. Quercetin. It is an antioxidant which supports immune function and helps to reduce inflammation, stimulates the immune system, plus help with respiratory conditions. It is rich in foods like honey, which is also rich in other antioxidants, and onions, which is also a good prebiotic food, which is important for gut microbiota, good for lowering cholesterol, and onions are low in calories also. So, and apples are known uh, to be a good prebiotic food for gut because they are rich in fiber, and they lower the risk of diabetes. It is also rich in quercetin. Then grapes are rich source of vitamin C, K, and high in antioxidants. And several studies have demonstrated that grapes have certain compounds which have cancer preventive nature, and it is a good source of quercetin. Then citrus fruits like oranges, they are also good source of fiber, low in calories, boost heart health, and protect against cancer. Raspberries are also good for source of quercetin, and good for sources of iron, calcium, manganese, phosphorus, vitamins E and K. Blueberries are low in calories, help to reduce DNA damage, plus may lower the blood pressure. Cherries are also good source of quercetin, and they are rich in antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and induce good sleep, which is very important to maintain good immune health. In the upcoming video, we'll learn about vitamin supplements, role of body weight in immunity maintenance, role of exercise, good night sleep, stress management, how does alcohol and smoking impact immunity, and the effect of aging in immunity. So be ready for it. Bye bye. Meet you soon.